Hey everyone, it's TMK, also known as I Twist Orlando. And believe it or not, I get this question all the time. How do I oil my hair? Do I just put it on my roots? Do I just put it on my ends? How many times a day should I oil it? How many times a week should I oil it? So I decided to make this tutorial to show everyone who has locks, or braids or faux locks or anything like that, how to use the K Essentials hair oil. This is the K Essentials hair oil. This is the oil that I sell on my website, theartoflocks.com. And you can order this oil if you have loose natural hair. I made it for people who have locks. However, I do have natural hair customers who orders K Essentials and loves K Essentials. I have men clients and just men who aren't clients who puts it on their beards. They love it on their beards. It definitely softens. It definitely helps to add moisture and that shine that we all like to see. When it comes down to how to put it in, I put it on my roots and I also put it on my ends. And when I put it on my roots, I just open up the tip a little bit, just enough for a little bit of oil to come out and just go through your scalp. So this is what I do. I just kind of open up my scalp and just kind of go through it like this. So once I'm done with that part, close the top. The top is very, very secure. I've had people who travel with the oil. I personally travel with it. Just make sure you screw it back on. And so once I do that part, what I'll do is I'll just go through and I will just start massaging the oil in my hair, just giving my hair and my scalp that good TLC, that positive energy, that growth energy, that energy that it needs to do what you want it to do. Don't think for 1 second that, if you're talking negative about your hair all the time, or you're always, you have like crazy lock envy and you want this person locks and that person locks, and you're not doing the necessary things to, make your hair look like those lock goals or those hair goals that you want, it's definitely not going to get there. You definitely have to, maintain that positive energy inside and out, because it does affect, your hair. And once I'm done massaging my roots, I'll take some more. And I put maybe like a nickel to quarter size in my hand, and I'll take it and I'll just rub my hands together, and then I'll just rub it on the ends, and I'll rub it on my ends until there's little to no oil on my hair. And the excess oil that's on my hands, I'll just take it and I'll just rub it in my hands. The oil feels very, very good on your skin. It's not greasy, it's very light, but it gives your hair the coverage that it needs. So once all the oil is off of my hands and, I felt like I had enough of my hair, either I'm out the door and, I'm gone, or I'm getting ready to lay down at night. Okay, so now let's talk about how often you should oil your locks. So when clients ask me, how often should I oil my hair? I say, oil your hair about 2 to 3 times a week or as needed. But for me, I definitely feel like my hair needs oil at least once a day. Everyone's hair is different. I don't get heavy dandruff, so it just depends on your hair, your scalp. But you definitely want to make sure that you are putting the oil all over your roots, all over your scalp, and then you're putting some in your hands, rubbing it together, and just kind of rubbing through your ends as I showed earlier in the video, and then putting your scarf on or just rubbing it through and then being out.